In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export source code files from Lovable. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to save the right files to your computer without any guesswork. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Lovable dashboard. If you're not already signed in, log in so you can access your workspace. From the dashboard, look for all projects. Clicking this brings up a complete list of the projects available to you. Depending on your screen size, you might see it in the sidebar or along the top navigation. If you work with many projects, use search or sort by recent activity to quickly find what you need. Next, click the project you want to export files from. This opens the project overview. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct place by checking the project name and any labels or descriptions. That quick check helps prevent exporting files from a similarly named project by mistake, which is easy to do if you manage multiple apps. Now, switch to the Code section. Click the tab labeled Code to open the Code Editor view. You'll typically see a file tree on the left and the selected file's contents in the main panel. Navigate the folders just like you would on your computer, expanding directories and selecting the exact file you want. If you're not sure which file to export, click around the tree to preview contents until you find the right one. When the file you need is selected, look to the right side of the interface for the download file icon. It usually appears near the file name or at the top of the editor area, and it may become more visible when you hover over the file row. Click the icon once. Your browser will prompt you to save the file. Choose a folder you'll remember, and keep the original file name and extension so your tooling recognizes it later. The download icon saves only the file you currently have open. If you need multiple files, repeat that same click for each one. To stay organized, consider creating a dedicated local folder for this export so related files live together. After each download, open the file locally to confirm its contents. If you don't see it immediately, check your browser's downloads panel or your system's downloads folder and ensure any pop-up or download blockers allow files from Lovable. Quick recap. Open the Lovable dashboard, click All Projects, select your project, go to Code, and use the download icon on the right to export the selected file. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and happy building.